how to create an email template in Salesforce. So first, go to your dashboard here, then click on the gear icon here at the top right corner, then click on Open Advanced Setup. Okay, next is just click on Outreach here, then click on Email Templates. Okay, now just click on New Email Template, then of course type in all of the information here for the related template name, related entity, description, folder, subject, the body of your email, and then just click on Save. Okay, so for example, you're done providing all of the details here. Just click on Save, and now you have an email template. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.